कम आता है उसके लिए और पौष्टिक
Swadika, Namaste. Good afternoon, everyone in Mumbai. Now we are here again for the Thailand Shopping Festival, but now it's in the International Exhibition of ASAP Festival. Today is the 6th day already, so we only here in 4 days that you can explore a lot of food products from Thailand. This is a real, a genuine from Thailand. I am the pharmacist. We have the manufacturer in Thailand. We bring a lot of food products for you. You can find the world first product now in the booth 4 product. This is the world first spicy coffee that is very delicious and no sugar added. This is the only one coffee in the world that made from Shenzhen. Also, this is spicy coffee but different flavor. It is the spicy caramel latte here. Also, we have the Thai tea, no sugar added, authentic taste. We have matcha that we import from Japan, authentic taste. This is a ceremonial grade matcha. We also have the fat burner, biotin, tiger milk mushroom, liver detox, the world ginseng complex, the chandelier for the glowing and glassy skin. We also have the coconut ali. This one is a rare item from the Southeast Asia and much more. Also, we have the probiotic that made from Thai food. The only one in the world. We have mango, coconut, and durian, and many, many more. Let's come and explore our product in the ASAP Festival until 4 of May at the MMRDA Ground, Bandra Complex. See you soon.